Battery endurance tests have already been performed on the iPhone 15 series, and some less than ideal findings point to low chipset efficiency. Despite having significantly larger batteries than its predecessors, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro nonetheless manage to perform worse when it comes to battery life. Reviewers are already putting Apple's new iPhone 15 series through a variety of tests after the review embargo for the devices was lifted yesterday. Online tests for the iPhone 15 series CPU, GPU, and battery endurance are already available, and unfortunately they paint a less than favorable picture of the devices. The iPhone 15 Pro Max looks to have worse battery performance, according to GeekerWin's testing, than the iPhone 14 Pro Max from the previous year. The iPhone 14 Pro Max ran for 7 hours 55 minutes while the new flagship completed the task in 7 hours 13 minutes. In the same way, the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro are related. The runtime of the iPhone 15 Pro is precisely 6 hours, compared to the predecessor's additional 46 minutes. Despite having a somewhat larger battery than the iPhone 14 Pro, the iPhone 15 Pro nevertheless manages to score worse on the test. It is crucial to highlight. All of these are consistent with tests demonstrating that Apple's new A17 Pro chipset has worse efficiency ratings than the A16 Bionic. The iPhone 15 Plus actually scores best on the test, with a battery life of 9 hours and 17 minutes, perhaps due to its A16 Bionic. That is more than 2 hours longer than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which has a battery that is 39 mAh larger, was able to last. What are the potential causes of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max's worse battery performance compared to its predecessors despite having somewhat larger batteries? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.